UH Morning Stars ngayon, nag-trending kagabi sa Twitter ang unang hirit.
Di ba aga? Eto na, ready na ba kayong makilala sila? Watch this.
The newest and hottest all-Pinoy teen boy band ay narito na. Mula sa kanilang pamatay na dance moves, kinakikiligang killer smiles, at malawan direction na boses, hindi katakataka ang mga binatilyong ito, idolo ng mga kabataan ngayon. May 7 miyembro ang sing and dance boy band na ito na nabuo noong taong 2011. Sila ay sina Casey, Armand, Ron, Miggy, Mark, Rem at Raymond. Lalo pa sila nakilala ng i-launch sila sa Walang Tulugan noong November 2011. Dahil dito nagpatuloy ang kanilang kasikatan hanggang sa i-invade na rin nila ang mga social networking site gaya ng Twitter at Facebook. Kaya naman tinaguri ang grupo bilang trending cuties. At ito nga lang nakaraang linggo, itinanghal silang most promising boy band ng People's Choice Award. Start your week na may ngiti sa mga labi mga kapuso. Narito na ang ating UH Morning Star. The Trending Cuties Upgrade!
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk to the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Chuka, come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I believe in a song. I don't know why you're being shy and turn away when I look into your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Baby, you light up my world like you.
Give it up
Ayan
for
na!
Upgrade! Woo! Come on, guys! Nako, taas kamay, guys, kapag binanggit ko ang name ninyo.
Oo
Para
nga.
although kabisado namin kayo ni Len dahil ka-age group namin kayo. Narito si na
Barkada.
Casey. Yan si Casey, Armand, Ron, Miggy, Mark, Rem, at Raymond. Yan,
Okay,
kompleto.
welcome sa unang hirit. Well, I'm just wondering, paano kayo nabuo? Magka-classmate ba kayo? Barkada, kapitbahay, pinsan? Wala? Hindi ako tumama, no?
Nag-audition po kami.
Talaga?
Yung grupo namin.
Akala ko you just formed it on your own. Audition pala.
Oh, okay. Mga pros. Bakit Upgrade ang pangalan ninyo?
Kasi po gusto po namin na nag-upgrade po yung bawat isa po sa amin, bawat talent po namin, yung career po namin, tsaka yung performance po namin every time nag-upgrade.
Aba, pagaling ng pagaling ng pagaling. Lagi, aba.
Ilang taon na kayo? Just Are you 6 mo ka 16?
14 po ako.
Ha?
Pinakabata.
14.
14?
Pero yung buhok mo, ilang
Wow.
taon na yan?
Mga 1 year.
1 year. 1 year old. Ayan. Ano ang pakiramdam kapag kayo tinitilian ng mga girls? Nakita namin, may mga extra shirt ba kayong baon? Kasi parang
Oo
natatanggal
nga.
na.
Meron po ako eh.
Sino nakita kanina na ginagano ng babae?
Si Arman po.
Ikaw. Na-save mo naman yung damit mo, no? Pinatahi mo na lang ulit.
Gula-gulanet.
Ang feeling po namin yung sobrang sarap po sa feeling ng tinitiliang ka.
Oo.
Tapos nakakataas po ng energy. Tapos, syempre, natutuwa ka sa kanila kasi na-appreciate nila yung ginagawa mo para sa kanila.
Napagsasabay niyo na pag-aaral niyo with performing.
Yun.
Oh, that's
Time
great.
management.
Regular school kayo.
Apo,
Regular
apo.
school. Okay.
Galing.
Nice one. Saan kayo nakapag-perform na so far?
Ayun, nakapunta na po kami sa Laguna, Pampanga, Zambales at abangan din po nila kami sa Tugigaraw, Isabela, Cebu
Tugigaraw!
at Davao po. At ngayon po, nag-school tour po kami at mall shows po.
Nako,
grabe.
school tour. I'm sure yung mga babae doon, nako, tilian ang tilian.
Dahil sa
Ayan.
inyong talent at confidence, ito may bago na kayong manager. Yan. Andiyan na siya.
Ayan na siya.
Sigurado-
Bagong member,
Ay, ay.
actually.
Bagong member.
Bagong member po.
Bagong member.
Akala ko manager.
Magkakahide sila eh.
Member talaga.
At
Ayan.
syempre, kayo ang aming UH Morning Star.
Salamat po sa pag-invite sa amin.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Salamat po, maraming salamat.
Thank you
Good luck sa
very
inyong
much.
career.
Maraming
In
salamat po.
school. Thank you so much, guys. Sana maging good example kayo sa mga kabataan ngayon.
Abangan po nila kami sa Team Up Show tsaka po sa Walang Tulugan with the Master Show.
Wow, ikutin niyo buong GMA. Okay, thank you,
Sana po.
Upgrade.
Okay. Thank you po, thank you po.
Upgrade. And of course, the new member. Not the manager, the member.
Oo, magkakaedad lang sila. Ngayon po mga kapuso po natin si Connie.
At si Ivan.